Welcome everybody to Professor Seemo. This is our first tutorial in Kali Linux. So a lot of you have been asking me to do this, so now I'll show you. I'll start with downloading or setting up Kali Linux and VirtualBox. You can first start with going to your favorite browser. Mine is Chrome, or you can just go to whatever you like. Okay. So to download, first download VirtualBox. By the way, I'll leave all the links in the description. You can check them out or just go on with me. Okay, VirtualBox download. Oh, by the way, sometimes it might not work for Mac OS for some reason, but for us in Windows, it will work, but we will have some errors in the beginning, and I will show you how to fix all of them. Actually, it's just one error that most of us face. Okay, for the Windows, go to Windows hosts, and now it's just give it some time, about 2 minutes. While it's downloading now, let's go and download Kali Linux for VirtualBox. Just open a new tab or just the same tab or whatever. Maybe even a new browser, anyways. Okay. We'll start with Kali Linux download. And yeah, the links are in the description. You can just check them out. Okay, just do what I'm doing. Okay, you can see all of this. Just forget about this. Don't worry about this. You just see everything in the comments. I'm just showing you how it's going to be with you guys. If you wanted to do it without using the link in the comment, okay, just go to get Kali Linux. Okay, you can start with switching the theme to dark theme because everyone likes dark themes anyways. Okay, we'll use the virtual machines. You can check if it's 64-bit or 32-bit. Depends, but like most new laptops or PCs use the 64-bit version. And just download this is not VirtualBox, this is Kali Linux. For VirtualBox, it's actually so good to use this. Okay, now you can just go play it or do anything else. Or just grab some coffee and play with friends. Or depends on your speed. Okay, anyways, I already have Kali Linux installed for me, so just cancel it. Okay, start with VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox. Okay, give it some time. Okay, next. Yes, install. Give it some time. Well, actually, I'll do it again with you guys. I will wait for about 4 hours, as you can see. Okay, let's see what's with the VirtualBox. Okay, so we just should watch a YouTube video. You can watch some of my other YouTube videos actually this time. Yeah, I will see you when it's already downloaded. Okay, so here's Kali Linux. Just open VirtualBox. I already have some machines. Don't just forget about them. Just double right click and double left click on it. Is it left? Yeah, it is. No, it's right. Anyways, just the left click. Yeah. Okay. VirtualBox Manager. Okay. Okay. So what you're gonna see is something different, something else. Okay, I'll just show you one second. Okay, you just go to Tools, Import the button. Just for me. Okay. By the way, I chose the path of my file where I installed Kali Linux on my laptop or machine. Then just import. Wait one second. Yeah, just agree. Failed to import. Applied the VirtualBox. Okay. Install defaults. Okay, one second. I think. Let's see. We are troubleshooting right now, and you're with me watching this live. Let's see what's wrong with it. Okay, just give me a sec. Okay, let's see. Wait, let's hit the import button again. Okay, I agree. Okay, I see. See, do you see the USB controller? Just hit this and import. Agree. Okay, so it was just some storage problem. I checked the error. Okay, just import. Yeah, and set the path again. For me, I changed it to somewhere else. So just right click once you finish. No, just like hit that arrow key, show in folder. Then you just see it. So it will be probably in downloads folder. Okay, okay, hit enter. Okay, so here you see that additional option where you have import hard drives as video. Just uncheck that box, then import. Agree again. Fingers crossed. Okay, now let's hope it works. Fingers crossed. Okay. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, and we are back. Hopefully it works this time. Just let's run it. Give it some time. Okay, see here. Yep, I was expecting this. Just ignore what's written over here. By the way, you can just like check the error code and stuff in Google and we'll see why it's not working. Just right click on it.
Here's what I found on the web.
Go to settings. Okay, sorry for that. Go to USB. Go to USB 1.1. Okay, now let's rename it. How to rename? Okay, I will show you in a bit. Just let's make it work at this point. Okay, okay, okay. Starting my virtual machine. Okay. Welcome. Okay. No errors. Okay, let's go. Look how cool Scary actually. Wow. Just in case you had some size errors, like not errors, like problems with the size, go to view and virtual screen, fix that. For me, it's fine. I will show you how to go to the full screen option just in a bit. Okay, the password and the username are Cali. Then hit the enter button or the login. Okay, see, go to full screen mode. I want you to hit the right control button, the one on the right beside the arrow keys, not the one on the left, the one on the right. The right control button with F, like control F. Wow, look at this, actually, it's so beautiful. Black dragon and everything. Okay, let's try how to rename the name of the VirtualBox and everything. Oh, first let's use the VirtualBox. Okay, hit the Control Alt T to open the terminal. Let's try some commands. I will do some introduction to Kali Linux commands, maybe advance in them. Just drop in the comments whatever you want me to do for you guys. Okay, echo. Hi there. No such words in event. Okay. Yeah, we'll keep that for the tutorial for now. Okay. So, I was right. Yeah, don't worry about that. As we have Kali Linux. Okay, let's check if we have internet. Is it working? Okay, Mozilla Firefox. Okay, open a new tab. Just go to YouTube. Okay, we are connected to the internet. Close all tabs. That's how you set up and install Kali Linux for virtual machines. Thanks for watching. Wait, let me show you how to rename virtual machine. Just give me a second. Okay, so it's not that hard actually. Just uh, go to your virtual machine, VirtualBox, I mean. Just right click, go to settings. Okay, we have to turn it off actually first. Let's shut it down. Okay. Here we have three options. You can just save the machine's state, power of the machine, or just power it off. Okay. Go to settings and rename it. Let's see. YouTube Kali. Okay. Now we have Kali Linux, guys. Look how cool it is. Let's open it again. Yeah, guys, don't forget to drop a like, share, and subscribe, and whatever you need. Professor Seemo is always there to help. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you in another videos.